happy 50 years birthday, Rajesh. God bless you. ఆయుష్ ఆరోగ్యం ఇచ్చి దేవుడు నిన్ను మంచిదిగా పెట్టిండమ్మా. నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు బాగుండాలా. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి నువ్వు ఎంత బాగుంటావో నాకు తెలుసును. మీరు ముగ్గురు అంత బాగుంటారు, అట్లే ఇప్పుడు అట్లే ఉండారు. అందరూ బాగుండాలా. నీకు నువ్వు ఎంత హ్యాపీగా ఉంటావో అంతే బాగుంటుంది. నువ్వు చేసేదంతా అన్నీ మంచిది అవుతుంది, దేవుడు మంచిదే చేస్తాడు. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ రాజేష్. I love you, Rajesh. I love you. I love you. Wish you happy birthday, Rajesh.
We love you.
Love you. Happy 50th birthday, bro.
Happy 50th birthday.
హలో రాజేష్ అన్న, నీకు పుట్టినరోజులు శుభాకాంక్షలు. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. వీఆర్ సో ఓవర్ జాయ్ దట్ వీ ఆల్ గెట్ టు సెలబ్రేట్ టుగెదర్ అన్న. వీ హ్యావ్ కమ్ ఎ లాంగ్ వే. యు ఆర్ మై బిగ్ బీ అండ్ ఎ పార్ట్నర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ so much for always being so kind, so positive, and we are so grateful to have you in our life. If mummy was here, she would have been cherishing this moment. Once again, happy birthday Rajesh Anna.
Happy birthday Rajesh Anna. I hope you are having the best day. Hope that you are enjoying everything that makes you to be happy. Mummy is really missing this day and you have always been in her thoughts. It has been such an amazing journey from childhood throughout our highs and lows. There is so much we get to learn and you are the kindest and sweetest brother. So you don't stop from being naughty and nifty, and wishing you the best birthday. Best wishes from Rupa and Prashant.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
May God bless you, Rajesh.
Happy birthday, Rajeshna. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Rajesh. Have a great year, brother. To all the great times you have had and for all the many more years that we are going to spend together. Cheers.
ನಮಃ ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ಚಂದ್ರಮೌಳೇಶ್ವರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೇವಾಲಯ, ಮುರುಗಮಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ತಾಲೂಕು, ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ. ವೇದ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಅವರು ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ನಾಳೆ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅವರ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಬ್ಬದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಈ ದೇವಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ರುದ್ರಾಭಿಷೇಕವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾಳೆ 50 ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಭಗವಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಂತಹ ಆಯುರಾರೋಗ್ಯ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯಾದಿಗಳು ಸರ್ವಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 100 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಅವರು ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವರು ಕುಟುಂಬಸ್ಥರು ಬಹಳ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಚಿಂತನೆಗಾರರು, ಭಗವಂತನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಗಂಗಮ್ಮನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮುರುಗಮಲ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊಲ್ಲಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೇವಾಲಯವನ್ನು ಅವರೇ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ನಾನೇ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬಹಳ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಪುನಸ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಚಿಂತನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಭಗವಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲೂ ತನ್ನ ಮನ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಂಥ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸದಾಕಾಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಭಗವಂತ 100 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಆಯುರಾರೋಗ್ಯ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವರ ಕುಟುಂಬಸ್ಥರಿಗೂ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಶತಮಾನಂ ಭವತಿ ಶತಾಜ ಪುರುಷಶ್ಯತೇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಆಜುಷೇವೇಂದ್ರಿಯೈ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಮನೋರಥಾನ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಿರಸ್ತು.
Happy birthday, Rajeshna. Everyone's talking about how awesome you are and how you're like this and you're like that and all that because it's your birthday. But I'm going to tell you how much you tortured me for all your massages, okay? So in 50 years, okay, practically I am 30. So from 30 years, I think at least 25 years I would have given you a massage. So you better have to repay me for all that massages that you got from me. But anyways, hope we were celebrating with you in Goa. But it's okay, we'll make up for it very, very soon. Have a wonderful birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead. And keep rocking and live life king size just like how you always do, okay? Love you loads.
Happy birthday, Rajesh. What a milestone, bro. Chindiyama, just wish you all the happiness and good health, Rajesh. This occasion, I just can't help but remember all the good days we had during our college days, and of course we've had quite a few moments off lately as well. I hope that continues for a very, very long time. Just can't help but recollect the moments we used to have during Navaratris. I don't know, Napka idea. We used to go to Shishadrippuram, all that Dandiya fun and all that, cricket matches, or even just hanging out in Nehru Circle. Amazing time, bro. This occasion again, once again, I'd like to kind of wish you a very happy birthday, and good health and success, everything you do. Take care.
Hello Rajesh, happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday. God bless you, Rajesh.
హలో రాజేష్, మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. ఏం రాజేష్, పార్టీ లేదా మాకి? మీరు మాత్రం అక్కడ చేసుకుంటా ఉన్నారు పార్టీ. వస్తే ఈసారి మాకు పార్టీ ఇవ్వాలి రాజేష్ నువ్వు. ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే రాజేష్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
Once again, many happy returns of the day, Rajesh. God bless you.
Hi Rajesh Anna, how are you? Happy birthday. So where is the party, Rajesh Anna? What is the twist in your birthday for this is you have to gift for everybody. Okay? So once again, happy birthday Rajesh Anna, long live 100 years. Beat your upper heights in your life. Okay? Bye.
ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ 50ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ದೋಸ್ತ್. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರು ಗುರು. 50ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ನೀನು ಜೊತೆಗೆ 34 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ 34 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಊರು ಹಾಳಾಕೋಣ, ಏನಂತ್ಯ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೂ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟುಡೇ. ನನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಅದು ನಿಂದು ಪವರ್, ಅದು ನಿಂದು ತಾಕತ್ತು. ಹಾಗೇ ಇರು ಗುರು ನೀನು. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬಿಗ್, ಬಿ ಬಿಗ್. ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್. ಬಾಯ್.
Rajesh, happy birthday.
I love you, bro. I love you. 50 years and counting. The first person in the TGS family to hit the 50s club. Do it. Do it, bro. Do it. You are basically with us.
Join the club.
Join the club. Join the 50s club. So that's Dr. Praveen who's saying join the 50s club. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Rajeshana. Wish you the best. Sing the happy birthday song.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rajesh Pidapa. Happy birthday to you. We love you, bro. We love you, bro. I'll see you in Goa soon. We'll have a trip soon. Have a great 50th birthday. First grandson of TGS family. Keep the Gangappa plan strong. Alright? Have fun. Enjoy yourself. You are the Vijay Mallya, the good Vijay Mallya of the family. Keep rocking. We're going to be with you soon. Have fun. Cheers to you, bro. Take care. Love you so much. Hats off, bro. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday Rajesh.
Hi, Rajesh. Wish you a happy 50th birthday. God bless you. Take care. Bye.
Rajesh, also known as Gullu Nan Maga. I've known Gullu for a very long time, and we lived in the same street, went in the same cycle rickshaw, later on traveled by the same school bus, same college, same class, same subjects, flunked in the same subjects. And what I admire about Gullu is his ability to connect with people, his gift of gab. He can talk to a auto driver, to a CEO of a company with ease. And this quality is what I admire about him. And to explain, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮರ್ಸಿಡೀಸು, ಆಡೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಗನಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ ಆಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಗುಲ್ಲು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಮರ್ಸಿಡೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅ ವ್ಯಾಗನಾರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಲ್ಲು ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಗುಲ್ಲು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಬಾಯ್.
Hi guys, do I see you right? Yeah, I see you all there. Two of my favorite people are celebrating their birthday. It's my beautiful daughter Yadvi, of course, and Rajesh Kumar. Can you believe it? 2 wonderful people on the same day. By the way, I love everybody in the TGS family. Everyone out there, this is dedicated to Rajesh and Nyadvi, of course, but this is for love. Happy birthday, Yadvi and Rajesh. I love you. How many roads must a man walk down before he calls himself a man? And how many times must a mind tell you that we all love you very much? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer, my love, is out in this birthday song. By the way, thank you very much, guys. I love you all. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Rajesh Anna.
Happy birthday, Rajesh Uncle. Happy birthday, Rajesh Uncle.
Hey Rajesh, happy birthday. Special, 50 years. Wishing you another 50 with, good health and lots of happy memories. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Rajesh.
My dearest Rajesh, wish you a very, very happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Wishing you lots of love, happiness, health, prosperity today and forever. Have a rocking, fantastic birthday. Love you lots.
Happy birthday, Rajesh. Happy birthday, Rajesh. Happy birthday, Rajesh.
Happy birthday, Rajesh Anna. I can't believe it's your 50th. Thank you for everything that you do for the family, and I'm really lucky to have you as my brother. Have a fabulous day, and I wish you many good things for the years ahead. I'll see you soon in Bangalore.
Happy birthday, Rajesh. Happy birthday, Rajesh.
Happy birthday, Rajesh, our Gulu. Hope you have a great day. Remembering about our 35 years of friendship. Now you are 50 years. I'm senior to you, but you're always been a great strength for all of us. We have learned a lot of things. You are a bundle of energy. You give a lot of encouragement to so many people who are dull. Keep it up, brother. And so happy and so proud to be a friend of you. Happy birthday to you once again.
Happy birthday, Rajesh Uncle.
Happy birthday, Rajesh.
Hi, Rajesh. 50 is just a number, bro. So party hard, be safe, God bless you, and stay blessed.
Happy birthday, Uncle. This time I'll not fail you. We'll definitely go to a restaurant in Chennai. Happy birthday, Rajesh. Have a wonderful year ahead. Stay cool and blessed.
Many more happy returns of the day, Rajesh.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rajesh.
Happy birthday
to you. Cha-cha-cha. Hi, all the way to China. Pizza. Pizza.
Happy birthday, bro.
Happy 50th, Rajesh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
Happy Golden Jubilee.
You're
getting
old.
younger every year that passes by.
You're so old.
Wishing you
He's young.
lots
He's hard.
of happiness, good health.
Yeah, dude. Have a great day. Love you lots.
You met us at our old house.
So, yes, you remember him.
Come and see us soon.
Yeah, both you and Rima, come and visit us. And hope to see you soon in India as well. All right, have a good day. Enjoy. Love you. Bye.
Hi Rajeshana. You've been a great pillar in our family. You're my favorite cousin. We wish you great luck for future.
Happy birthday, Rajesh Mama. You are the best Mama. You always buy me things and you crack jokes a lot. The favorite thing which you bought me was a pencil case.
Happy birthday, Rajesh.
We all wish you a great birthday, Rajana. Have fun.
Bye. Happy birthday, Pedapa. I love you so much. And you buy me toys and gadgets. I love you so much. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Pedapa. Pedapa, you are kind, loving and caring. You spend a lot of time with me and Anna. You buy us whatever we ask. I can always depend on you. I love you. Happy 50th birthday, Pedapa.
Hi Rajesh, many happy returns of the day. Happy 50th birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness.
Happy birthday Rajeshana. All the very best for your future endeavors and wish you a great success ahead.
Hi Rajesh, happy 50th birthday. Hope you're having an awesome day. Stay blessed and have lots and lots of fun.
Wish you a very happy 50th birthday, brother. In this generation, you're the first one to achieve this milestone. But let's not forget, we're not very far from you either. Also, all I want to say is wish you many more to come. Stay young at heart, stress-free, and enjoy life to the fullest. Okay, hopefully in the next 1 or 2 years we get to meet up and celebrate your 51st or 52nd birthday. All right, buddy, take care.
Hi Rajesh, happy birthday. God bless you, Raja. Be happy, lifetime, enjoy, take care, all full family. Many happy returns of the day. Baba bless you. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Rajeshana.
So we are here in Goa to celebrate your birthday. So just a few lines about you. You've been a great inspiration for me and other cousins. In this 50, I mean, like I've been seeing you for the past 30 years, and you've done a lot of hard work, and I'm happy to see in the position you are in today. Good luck for the coming years. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Rajesh.
Happy 50th birthday. God bless you with good health, wealth and happiness. Be happy always and have a wonderful year ahead. Love you, Baba.
Happy 50th birthday, brother. Have a great year. Have a great year.
Hi, Rajesh Mama. Happy birthday.
Hey Rajesha, happy birthday, happy 50th. This is wishing you from sunny Texas. It's Suko.
And it's snowing.
Happy milestone birthday, brother. Obviously, you will be enjoying your big day in a much warmer place than any of us here in the US. So, I know you're turning 50, but guess what? You will be the youngest 50-year-old that I know this year. So, continue aging like wine and living king size that I've always known you to be. Have a wonderful time in Goa with Rima and family. Lots of love and hugs from the kids, myself, and Prasad. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Hi Rajesh, a very happy birthday to you. God keep you healthy and happy in the days to come in the future. I know there have been a lot of ups and downs in your life. One of the ups is Rima coming to you. I hope you have the courage to face the downs later on. Look after your mom. She's very precious. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Uncle. Happy birthday, Rajesh. God bless you with good health and happiness. Take care of your family. All the best.
Happy birthday, Rajesh. Wow, Golden Jubilee. 50 years, bro. Very important birthday in your life than anything you ever had till now. And thank you so much for making us be a part of it. You know, in your celebrations. I've been thinking a lot from past 2-3 days what to say. But blank. But still, I don't know what to say, but I just want to say things. First thing, thank you always for being my brother. I need it. I know I can always count on you when I need you, when I need it the most. I can fight any war and face anything in life, bro, knowing that you're always there behind me. You're very important to me in my life, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know what to say, but still, you've taken up daddy's place for my side, you know. I never forget things, you know. Anyway, I don't want to, you know, be like sentimental, but still, always be happy, bro. Always be happy and keep that smile in your face, brother. Always smile and just be yourself, bro. Because when you're yourself, you're always the best. Okay? Great success in all your future endeavorances. God